Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your VPN account, provider app or server details, and a working internet connection. Open the App Store if you'll use a provider app, or jump to settings for manual setup. Once done, sign in to the VPN app or copy the server address and credentials into a secure note so you can paste them. Make sure notifications and background app refresh are enabled for the VPN app, because persistent connectivity depends on those permissions. You now install the provider app or create a manual configuration in settings. If using the app, accept the configuration prompt when it asks to add VPN configurations, then sign in and allow permissions. For manual setup, go to Settings, General VPN, Add VPN Configuration, pick the protocol your provider recommends, and enter server, remote ID, and credentials. Once you finish, save and test the connection. Watch for the VPN icon in the status bar. You finish by connecting and verifying the VPN works. Toggle Connect in the app or open Settings VPN and switch it on. Look for the VPN icon in the status bar to confirm. If browsing is slow or sites are blocked, switch to a different server or protocol recommended by your provider. If the connection fails, reboot your iPhone, re-enter credentials exactly, and reinstall the app if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable captive Wi-Fi login pages and retry, because they commonly block VPN handshakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.